old-fashioned tea cake. So we're going to make some tea cakes today, and I think this might be more in line with my step-grandmother's recipe. So we're going to give it a shot and see if it is, and in a few months we'll try back again if it's not. But we're going to give this a shot because I don't think she ever used butter in her recipe, and this one does not have butter. So I've been searching and looking, and we're going to give this recipe a shot. So let's get started. Okay, so I preheated my oven to 450 degrees. And yes, it was 450 degrees. We're going to start off with about 4 cups of self-rising flour. I think, I know she used self-rising flour a lot, but I had to really think about things. So, and this is my 2-cup measure, and it is listed in the link below. So you can just click on the link right at the bottom. So this is 2. We're going to go ahead and go 4. And we may need 5, but we're going to use some to roll out our dough. So we'll just keep a little bit of extra right here in this cup. So now we're going to put in 2 eggs. We got a 1/2 cup of whole milk. I'm just going to put the flour right in here, and then I can use this, my 2-cup measure, for my sugar, because we're going to need 2 cups of granulated sugar. That's it. Okay, now we're going to use a 1/2 cup of cooking oil. So now we're going to put in a 1/2 cup of cooking oil, a teaspoon of vanilla, a teaspoon of lemon extract, and oh, I forgot something. And we're going to put in a 1/4 of a teaspoon of nutmeg. Some of you have asked what a dough whisk is. This is a dough whisk, and it is linked also below in this video. Just going to kind of mix it all around. I love my dough whisk. I made a tea cake video a few ages ago. I'm always trying to find my step grandmother's tea cake recipe, and it's been impossible to find. I've probably tried 4 or 5, and I did a video on one, but it didn't taste like hers. I mean, I just want her tea cake recipe. So we shall see if we have found it today. And like I said, we preheated the oven to 400. Let me go get on my microphone. Do I have it on? Oh, I have it on. Oh, I was thinking, oh, I don't have on my microphone. Sorry, guys. Oh. And it's okay if I get flour on this little sweater thing. This is what I buy my clothes. I go to some thrift stores and I buy my clothes secondhand. I try to buy nice ones. I'm an eBay seller. And so I try to buy nice clothes, but I only pay a few dollars for them. And so then that way I can wear them. And if they get stained, I don't have a big investment in them, and I can enjoy them. Okay, so we've got our cookie dough here, and it looks really good. This cookie dough looks good. We're going to start rolling it out. A little bit of flour. I'm excited about this today. Did I put salt in here? I don't know if I did or not. I must have put salt. I put salt. Well, if I didn't put salt, I was supposed to. So sorry. I think I did. I'll know when I go back. But if I didn't put salt, you do put a half a teaspoon. I don't know if it'll change the taste too much. Okay, so we'll keep rolling this out. This morning I got 2 shirts on. I got up and I was coming in here to do the video and my teeth were chattering and I couldn't figure out why. My husband had turned the heat off. He had to go somewhere and he turned the heat off on me. So I got 2, my house is warmed up now, but I've got 2 shirts on because it was cold to me. I don't know if I want to use a big one or a little one. I think we're going to use our little cookie cutter. I think that's perfect. I'm trying not to twist. I don't know if you can twist these or not. I'm so nervous about twisting now. I don't know. I don't know if some of you know, let me know. I don't know. I think I'm twisting. I don't even know how many of these are going to make. Have you ever found a recipe and you didn't read it all the way? And you're like, oh my gosh. And it still turned out good. I've had a lot that turned out really, really bad. So I shouldn't say. And these look just like tea cakes. Let me wash my hands. Okay, so my oven is preheated to 450 degrees and we're going to get these tea cakes in the oven. Okay, so we've got them in the oven at 450 degrees for 8 minutes. And so I am going to kind of just ball this up and make another batch. So I think today we used about 4.5 cups of flour, but we haven't rolled this out yet. This dough rolls so good. Love the way that dough rolls. Okay. So if some of you are screaming at me because she's twisting, let me know. Oh, I'm trying not to, but I think I need to get it up. Get it off the board. Some of you have been asking for a tea cake video. And so I'm going to be doing them every 2 or 3 months until we find the right recipe. I want that old-fashioned recipe that my step-grandma had. And I know some of you say that that there are no steps. Well, I love my family very much, but you have grandmothers that feelings get hurt, so you can't do that. And then you have grandchildren on their side whose feelings get hurt because it was just a later marriage in life. So it's just the way it was. It wasn't a a diss to her in any way. Not in any way. She was wonderful at making biscuits and different things like that, but she had lots of grandchildren, and that's just the way it was. Okay, get these on. Okay, I think I'm going to have a little extra dough. That's okay. Maybe not. Maybe. Okay, so we have another tray of cookies. We're going to wait till those come out, and then we're going to pop these in. 8 minutes, 450 degrees. Okay, my alarm just went off. We're going to get those cookies out of the oven. Oh my gosh. We're going to get these, let them cool. I'm going to get those other ones in. My grandkids are going to come over in a little while. They called and said, Grandma, I want to go to your house. So I said, when Grandma gets done, you can come to my house and look. They're going to have some cookies, homemade, clean ingredients, quick and easy cookies. Oh my gosh. You don't even have to decorate them. They're just perfect. Oh, we're going to taste them. I'm sure they're going to be good, but we need to see if they taste like, her name was Ida Mae. I'm going to see if they taste like Ida Mae's biscuit. I'm going to see if they taste like Ida Mae's cookies. A tea cake is just so quick and easy, and I think that's why a lot of people made them. I don't remember Ida Mae ever putting butter in, but she probably put lard, but this has oil in it, so I'm thinking it might be similar. So we're going to test it. These are the tea cakes, and I put them in for 8 minutes, and I'm thinking I should have did 7 because I don't know. I mean, it's not bad, but I like mine really light. So, but we'll see. I don't think it'll really make a difference. That's a good cookie. Mm. Oh my gosh, I can just eat and eat. It's not Ida Mae's tea cake, but it sure is good. And I guess it's not too dark. It's all done. Yeah, I need a big glass of milk. It almost tastes like pound cake. Oh my gosh, it does. It tastes like pound cake. You guys are gonna make them. Oh my gosh. You guys gonna make those. I just want to keep eating them. Tastes just like pound cake, baby. Oh my goodness. I shouldn't eat another one. I'm gonna wait. Oh my gosh, they're good. You know what, guys? This might be the absolute best cookie I've ever made. And I've made some really good cookies. This is so simple. And it really, I guess it's not too dark. It really tastes just like pound cake. I want to keep eating them. Oh my gosh, it really does. Second batch tea cakes. These are just a little bit lighter, so, and they're done. So I probably just needed a less, 1 minute less. So you guys, I hope you will go and make these tea cakes. I can't quit eating them. Telling you, you got to make them. I cannot quit eating them. They're addicting. They're not the prettiest cookie I ever made. They are a little darker than I like. They're not burnt. They are so good. I can't. I'm going to have to change my stance on dark bottoms because these are amazing. You guys go make these cookies. Have a wonderful, wonderful day.